Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool place value chart, working with place value relationships with a problem related to TEKS 4.2a. We will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a population of a town that has all threes, 3,333, and we need to simply describe that number. And so let's build it with a place value chart. So I'm going to use this space over here. I only need 4 spaces. So I'm going to just write all threes right here. And then we can, underneath, we can say that's going to be our ones, that's going to be our tens, that's going to be our hundreds. And you can either write this as a 1,000 or sometimes you just write TH for 1,000. There's several different ways to label it. But as long as we have that, it also probably wouldn't hurt to label the values underneath. And so we'll put 1,000. It doesn't become super useful to put the values underneath when the numbers start getting into the millions. That's just a lot of zeros. So let's take a look at our number. 3,000s, 300s, 310s, 3 1s, and then we need to find two correct statements here. So let's look at this first one. The value of the digits in the ones place. What is my ones place? It's 3. So a 3 in the ones place is worth 3. And when it says is, that's kind of your clue that that's the equal sign. 10 times, that's going to be 10 times the value of the digit in the tens place. What is the value of the digit in the tens place? Well, that's 3 times 10 because that's in the tens place, so 10, 20, 30. So take a look at this statement. What it basically says is 3 equals 10 times 30. And how does that look to you? Hopefully you're thinking that's not right. Well, it is not correct. When you move from the ones place to the tens place, you're multiplying by 10. But when you are moving from the tens place down to the ones place, which is what they're asking us about, that's going to the right. You're either going to say that's a divide by 10, or dividing by 10 is the same as multiplying by 1/10. Those two are kind of the same. So it's the wrong direction. So that's going to be incorrect. The place value of the digit in the hundreds place, that's 3 in the hundreds, that's 300, is equals 1/10 the value. So 1/10 times or divide by 10, the thousands place. All right, so what's my thousands place? 3 in the thousands place. That's 3,000. Well, what happens when we take 1/10 or we divide by 10? Well, we drop a 0. If you drop a 0 from 3,000, you're going to end up with 300. So that is going to work. If you go in the thousands place and you move one digit to the right, you are dividing by 10 or you are multiplying by 1/10. Those mean the same thing. And you get down to the 300 because you drop a 0. So that is going to be correct. Third, the value of the digit in the tens place, that's 3 tens, that's 30, is 1/10, or divide by 10, the value of the digit in the hundreds place, that's 300. Well, when we go from the hundreds place down to the tens place, which is what they're asking us to do, we are going to multiply by 1/10 or divide by 10, because when you're moving down one place to the right, you drop a 0. And so going from our 300 to our 30, we end up losing a 0. So that looks like it's good, which means the other two need to be incorrect. So let's look at the fourth one. The value of the digit in the thousands place, that's 3,000, is or equals 1/10 value of the digit in the hundreds place. That's 300. And it's incorrect. When we're going from the hundreds to the thousands, we are moving up to the left, so we're going to multiply by 10, not the 1/10. If you were to flip those two, that could work. And then finally, the value of the digits in the hundreds place, 300, is 10 times the value of the digit in the thousands place, 3,000. And that's not going to work. Remember, when we're going from our thousands down to our hundreds, we go to the right, and we'd have 1/10.